I just got a package. I just got a package. Okay. First things first. This pretty witty ring. I'm not sure if the diamond was supposed to be white or my birthstone color. Let's check. No, I just thought it was. I thought it was because it has the light shining on it, so the diamond looks blue, but no. It's supposed to be clear. These that I've seen all over TikTok, all over Shein. I hope I got the right size, but I think I got the right size. I might have. And I didn't even know this was a 2-pack, but this is what it is. I'll put on the black one so you can at least see it. Yeah. Okay, I'm just having my shirt like this, but they're like, I don't know how I feel. Like I feel like they're gonna come off. Maybe because like I'm kind of hot, but like I think I got the right size. But I think overall they're good. You can take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on, and it still sticks. So now this dress right here, and so I'm gonna try it on to see how it looks. So I'll be right. Okay guys, I lowered you so you can see the whole shebang. This part I'm in love with, but like also it's like I like it. Like I like this cross right here, cross reference. Here's the back, you know what I'm saying? And then this goes like, you know what I mean? And I'm loving this shoulder, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just preparing for all my pictures. Y'all, why did I say like, comment, subscribe? The video not over yet. This video is gonna be continued into something else. Okay, we're finna go on Monkey.
You turn the camera on?
Yeah, you didn't hear it?
Hey!
I need a new... Know what you're falling for. Baby, do cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for?
Hurry up!
Shut up, I'm singing my kitty game.
This thing keeps saying my package is out for delivery. I ain't seen my package all day. Who you talking to?
You bitch.
Draco.
How you doing?
What's up?
Man, we just see this.
You see me? Say where you see me. That's fair. How old are you guys?
25. Ew, his name is Adrian.
He's asleep.
There's nowhere.
It's a group of them. He's the face of the camera, bro.
Turn it down.
What?
I said so.
Turn it down.
Well, daddy is you. Please, little nigga, don't get beat the fuck up.
Oh, Ricky, what the fuck?
Man, let this nigga know who he fucking with. I will throw him.
You not no shit.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Please enlighten me and tell me what the fuck you're gonna do.
Down south, let me up.
Thank you. You said that I sound like I was down south.
Yeah, $20.
Give me five.
Oh, you heard me? She a real thug, so she always keep me satisfied. Oh, I can leave beyond of that. But
No,
gosh, we like what that too. That
that's not it. I'm in the middle of the city and my God, in my
No.
Time to take a trip, so you never take a chance. Kmills, what you gonna do when it's time to feed your family? Kmills.
No.
Why put your bitch ass up? Oh, go ahead. You look like a fish. You like a blowfish. Oh, go ahead.
Bro, speed up.
Bro, that look like Quita.
The fuck is Quita?
Like Quita, bro.
Kayla, they talking about you? Kayla, I guess you look like Quita.
Your nails ugly. I'm playing.
Yeah, cause bye.
Like, yay.
Oh, I like your hat.
Baby. Oh my god, what if we called Mir? Actually.
What y'all know about this here shit?
What do you know? Man!
Hello?
Put her like a pretzel. Ooh, my legs are shaking. Not like that. I can't even do this.
What's up, gang?
It's okay. You never catch me saying my boyfriend's name is Carl. Sorry. Not in 100 years.
Hey, two of them.
Fuck your mother.
She's dead.
Oh, well, 6 feet under. Let's go stomp on her.
Nah, she alive. I don't know where she at, though.
Type shit. Let's go find her.
You can go find her. I'm not.
Drug addict Maria.
She's there. Hi. Ow.
I hear you. No, listen.
Yeah, I know. Shut up. She already know. She already know. Okay.
What the fuck?
You're gonna try my Willy Wonkas. I look like I'm about to break out into song. Oh my god, I look like a bug. Where your mama at? Guys, I can't decide. The Willy Wonkas make me look like a bug.
Oh, sure.
If I take the time out of my day to say what's up back before I beat you up. Thanks. Whoa. I didn't know there was a person there.
Okay.
Did you just take a photo for the free?
Yep, he showed it.
Mm.
Weird ass nigga gonna call you ugly but still want a picture of you in his phone.
Right. For the free.
And you crossed the line when I pushed you away out.
What's up, y'all trying to fuck?
How old are you, sir?
I'm 19.
And you're going to jail.
I'm going to... It's a great one to tell you.
Good.
You're cool now. You're cool now.
I already am.
He's ugly. Here, look.
Bro, I lost the pin again. I was right here.
What are you talking about?
Y'all looking so good.
Huh?
I said, why y'all looking so good?
Her?
Okay, dude, you not look like. So you talking about her?
Her. I met her. Yeah.
Good job, good job, good job. Okay.
Yeah. Why she looking so good?
I don't know.
Why you looking so good, Mom?
Why you looking so good, Kayla?
Kayla, how old you is?
Kayla 18.
Okay, I'm 18 too.
Good shit, Kayla.
Kayla, what's up with you?
What's up with you, Kayla?
You're wrong for that.
You from the Bikini Bottom?
Yeah.
Cause I'm trying to get in your ocean.
God, shit, Kayla, you
That's
I wish you would bounce on my shit like the Pixar land.
right. Type shit, Kayla, you
These.
nigga
Shut
talking to you.
up.
Yeah, what is up with you, Kayla? What is up with you, squirrel?
You know, there's clouds outside.
Let me get a little preview, Caleb.
A little preview, killer.
What are we talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
You know what he's
What are
talking
we, what are we
I know
talking
that shit fat back there.
You know that shit that
No, not for the
We was
free.
connecting. We was connecting for a minute.
Really? Really? Yeah.
Yeah, we was.
Yeah. You know, I
Let me
just,
see it.
the sun is out.
That shine on you. Trying to take that off, put my ring on you. Some real shit.
But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that gang. Boom!